blizzard. December 2010. Through the door. It's so windy and blustery, I can't even videotape outside. Isabel's face is turning red.
I give it 10 minutes.
With request for hot chocolate. All right, Oreo, you want to go out there? Oreo is scratching at the door. Oreo.
Yeah, but then he doesn't go out.
What do you want to do, Oreo? What do you want? There's remnants of the summer. There's sunblock goggles and flip-flops. I guess it's time for me to put those away. He wants to play. This is his first real snow. Nope. In. What do you think, Oreo?
Honey, when you see him, don't run at him. Try to call him from where you are. Okay, to get him out there.
He doesn't know who the kids are. He's scared. Oreo, that's Isabel. You think he knows now?
Oreo. Hi.
Okay, move out, Izzy. Come on. Come on, get outside.
The door's open, silly. Go, Oreo. Go. Not so sure, huh?
He's scared of it.
Leave him. So you're off the phone, right?
Yes. Yeah, the boys out there. What are they doing? Orio's still scratching to go out. Poochies are out again. Let's see, hold on. Where'd Petey go? Huh. There's the Pete man. Okay, let's see. Yes, Petey wants to come in. Okay. Hi, Pete. Hi, Oreo. Hi, Petey. Hi, Pete. Okay, I want to come in. What? What? Yeah, he likes the snow, but then he gets cold and he wants out again. Out again? You just came in, Oreo. Again?
Come.
Oreo, either in or out. Pick one. Snowman building. Isabel and Justin and Josh. Ken and I are inside and warm with Jackson Browne playing on Pandora.
I'm gonna get Petey a set of spurs.
Yeah.
Velcro spikes.
Isabel could design it. Not enough snow yet to really. Hey, Ken.
Here he goes. Don't let him in.
Here he is again. Can't make up his mind. I want to come in? Yeah, no. I want to come in? Yeah, no. I like how the wind blows his ears and his tail. He's eating the snow.
Do you want to see if Lisa wants to come over?
Sure, I know she's going to want to go out.
Well,
She's already back home.
I could go get her, but she's stuck in her basement with her cat, you know?
Right. So
It
ask
seemed-
her.
Huh?
Call her, absolutely.
You should call her.
Okay. Is he done? Is he ready? Up. Working for the man every